Okay, I'm a designer coming into work to do my job the way I've been doing the last 30 years. Only I'm going to take advantage of some of the tools that have just come about in the last few years. The one being additive manufacturing. We're going to make a design change to the ventilator, but we're going to use additive manufacturing to accomplish this, and we're going to do it just the same way we've done throughout the years. Now, being a designer, I can sit down and my data is managed for me with Team Center. So I can go into Active Workspace, which is Team Center, right within NX, and you can see there's the ventilator, but I can kind of go through, I could do searches, I could release data, I could do my job. I have a home folder. If I click on my home folder, you can see some of the things that I've saved that may be important to me. Here's the ventilator that I have an interest in, and we're going to take a look at that because we're just starting this project, getting a little bit familiar with where we're currently at because a number of people are working on this project. So I can see that we're at Rev D, so that's important. And I can also see that Rev C is released. That is released in the database, and it was released well, it says here July 16th it was released. So that's important because we need to keep control of our data for the digital twin and the digital process. So I want to open Rev D. So I will just simply select on Rev D, and then I can open it in a viewer or whatever I want to open. But in this case, because I'm a designer, I want to open it in NX, which is what I'm in. I'm in NX. And then I could go to work and I could start doing my job to make the needed changes to the ventilator. Okay, so using Active Workspace, I was able to open up the part, the correct revision, Rev D, and now I can start looking at my job to see what needs to be done. And I can see that I have the two-person ventilator option, and we are going to take a look at how we can use additive manufacturing to improve on this part.